Hey everybody, Mr. Odom here, and we have some problems from section 2.2 that we're going to solve. So let's get started. The stuff you'll need is the usual stuff: a pencil, composition book, or note paper to take notes, and you might need a calculator. All right, the learning target for this video is at the end. Hopefully you will feel confident in saying that you can add rational numbers. So let's get started. For adding rational numbers that look like fractions, we have to make sure that the denominators are the same, and we see here our denominators are the same. So what we can do is take the plus sign, and I'm going to take this negative sign, I'm going to move it up to the numerator. So 11 plus negative 7, and that is all over 12. And then just focus on the numerator. So 11 plus negative 7, same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. Keep the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. So these have different signs, and so I take the absolute values. Absolute value of 11 is 11. Absolute value of negative 7 is 7, and I subtract the smaller one from the larger one, and in my numerator I have 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. It's positive. Keep the sign of the bigger number, but don't forget, this is a rational number. And I have negative. I have 4 over 12, and I can simplify. I'm going to write my fractions in simplest form. So this one equals 1/3. All right. Decimals. Pretty much, these are problems you can put in your calculator. Okay. Same sign, add and keep. Different sign, subtract. Keep the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. So for this one, my answer is going to be negative, because the absolute value of negative 4.2 is bigger than the absolute value of positive 3.3. So then in my calculator, I can just put 4.2 minus 3.3, and I get 0.9, and my answer is negative. Happy days, I'm good. We got that one. For number 8, I'm going to write the number 4 as a fraction. I'm just going to do this because I see a fraction here, and so this is some preparation for working with fractions. Plus, now I'm going to change my mixed number to an improper fraction. So 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So I'm going to add these together. Can I add them together yet? No, because the denominators are different. So I have to find a common denominator, which for this problem, the common denominator is going to be 3. So I multiply this fraction by 3 over 3. And what do I get? 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 1, 3. Now they have a common denominator, so I can just worry about the numerators. So I write 12 plus negative 5 all over 3. And these things are all equal to each other. Same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. So these have different signs. I subtract and keep the sign of the bigger number. So the bigger absolute value is what I'm talking about. So 12 would have a bigger absolute value than negative 5. So 12 minus 5 is 7. It's going to stay positive, and this is just 7 over 3. Hey, Mr. Odom, can I write this as a mixed number? If you want to. You don't have to. How do I do that? How many times is 3 going to 7? 2 times. And then what's left over? There's 1 left over, and I get 2 1/3. So if you wanted to write your answer like that, I would be fine with it, but you're more than happy to leave it as an improper fraction. And that's it. We got it. You did it. We're excited. Or I'm excited for you if you're not excited. You should be excited. Anyway, enough of that. This is Mr. Odom. Hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll see you soon. Remember, bring your questions to class. and be ready to work on some more of these problems. We need to be really good at adding rational numbers. Okay, take it easy. I'm out.